Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Fellow
Subscribe
Nigerians,
to this channel
today,
and
15th
press
of January,
like. When you
a very
subscribe, you'll
special
be able to
and
get
unique day
notifications each
in
time we post.
2023,
Okay? We
as
love
it
you
was
guys.
3 years ago, 40 days from today, Nigerians will be voting in an election that many regard as most crucial and an essential decision we have to make as a nation, and particularly for our children and youth. Given the sad state of our dear nation, alarming insecurity, unemployment, poverty, inflation, debt, hunger, disunity, hopelessness, and many other indices of a failing state. It is also 15th of January, 3 years ago, a very special red letter day for Nigeria, that the booming guns and other paraphernalia of battle were formally silenced in a 30-month civil war in which millions of lives were regrettably lost and an unquantifiable number of properties destroyed. As you may recall, Colonel Olusegun Obasanjo, as he then was, led the Biafran delegation to Jaragowan to declare that the war is over and that the military colleagues from Biafra have come for redeployment. It is stated to keep Nigeria one is a task that must be done, and no victor, no vanquish. It is this task of keeping Nigeria one in spirit of no victor, no vanquish that has provided the platform of commitment of both mental and physical energy to the audience of noble task of building one strong, united, and indivisible Nigeria. As such, the overriding task should be committed to, as stated